So hi guys, it's Ifyokoye here. My sisters and I were having like a vision board class where we're just gonna sit down and talk about our goals and plans for the new year. I know most people don't believe in vision boards anymore, but we are trying to be accountable for each other this new year. We are about to leave the house now. Yeah, so also I'm trying out this new light that I got for vlogging in places that are really dark, and I think I'm loving it. And you see, it can also give off warm lights and it can also give off white lights. I think I like this. And then I can increase the intensity if I want it super bright, super white, or super warm. I'm loving the warmth that this color is giving off right now. So I will be taking you guys along. My sister Neka, we're waiting for Oyin to come. Of course, she's the last. Already? Yeah, I'm filming. Wow. Of course, she's the last. She's always the last to come down. So many people don't even believe in this vision board thing anymore. I don't know why. Because most people get disappointed when they don't hit their goals. So yeah, so we're going to be making realistic, or rather setting realistic goals this year. I'm not going to deceive myself and write any and post, or rather write anything on my vision board that I know that I will not be able to achieve this year. So I'm going to set very realistic goals this year. And yeah, so help me God. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah guys, so we just got to my sister's estate and we're walking in. See, we are at Chef Zoe's house, and of course we get welcomed by plants. Lots and lots of plants. Look at this. This is the pawpaw. Yeah. Ooh, Zoe's even growing her own bananas. Bananas. Welcome to my vision board party with my sisters and my friends. Hello everybody. Oh yeah, everyone's busy. We're about to start and my sister is mixing up drinks for everybody.
Not for everybody, myself.
So I've WhatsApped the images I want to use for my vision board now to my sister. So these are the images I have shared with my sister. Okay, so these girls are making me laugh. All of them, they all have like blank checks on their vision board, and I'm trying to let them know that they need to be more realistic.
Like, not like you're going to
Amen.
check at once, like, but you are just receiving money that's just coming from everywhere.
Okay.
Thank you, my girl.
Unlimited money.
Money that you get with ease, you know, that you don't work for. I beg you. Hallelujah.
That's right.
Unlimited
That's right.
access to cash, girl.
That's it.
Financial freedom.
What are you having? Gin and tonic. While I'm waiting for Zoe to print out my paper,
Drink straw.
maybe we should spy on what these girls are doing.
Office.
This is Zoe's board. This is Oyin's board.
My one, right?
And this is Nico's board. So we're all going to be each other's accountability partner.
Where's
And
mine,
I think
Zoe?
that's the most exciting part of what we are doing here today.
That's right.
Wow.
I'm going to actually, after this vision board class, I'm going to actually
Can you make that too?
put this vision board on my phone. I'm going to put it on as my
Yeah, like
screensaver.
when you finish.
Because I will
That's what I'm
see
saying.
it
When you
every
finish.
day.
We
Wow.
are praying for them.
I'm
Finish.
still.
I don't even mind. See, girl. I don't
No, you have to print for me.
Yeah.
Zoe,
It's
me.
fine. Make it last.
It's my own printing now.
It's making so much because
actually
is.
Pastor Neka behind me giving us a big testimony.
I mean, it's all about honestly. There are some things I love.
Like
That's her faith, very strong.
Very strong, bro.
And guess what?
see guys, there is power in the tongue.
She doesn't have to.
You just need to know how to manifest and tell God what you want, and it will happen.
Faith.
So we are believing in God on our vision board this year, and I know that
Tap into
everything we're going to put here, every realistic goal and dream that we're going to put on our vision board, I believe that it's going to come to pass. So Zoe has.
homemade croissants and butter.
So Zoe made us homemade croissant. This one is with jam, and the other one has butter. So this is homemade strawberry jam with croissant. Hi guys, so unfortunately my pictures did not print. Yeah, the printer ink finished because these girls were busy printing out a lot of pictures that took out the ink. I was able to at least make my digital vision board on my phone. Yeah, this was actually quicker and easier. So that was what I was able to do while everyone else were decorating their own vision board. You can leave in the comment section if you want me to show you how I did this. Guys, it took me like 5 minutes or rather 10 minutes to do. It was so easy. So I'm going to use this as my screensaver. Yeah, I think this is very realistic, to be honest, because I'm going to carry it everywhere I go to.
To build or achieve a partnership with someone that has sense. Very important. Someone that has sense, that our goals align. Like
Your goals align.
Girl, tell them.
So I don't need to explain myself why I do certain things. You should understand.
Covered, yes. Once your goals align, that's it. That's a blanket statement. It covers everything.
Drops mic.
Mine has fitness, stroke yoga. I have a bad back, so I'm trying to improve my yoga stability, flexibility, all that good stuff. Vacation to the Maldives. I love to have a baby moon at the Maldives, actually, not just vacation.
That so beautiful.
So anytime we see you in Maldives,
Yes!
she's pregnant.
You see the picture of the front and then the side view. That whole, am I pregnant? And the side view, yes I am. That one.
Wow.
Faith, love. I want to be intentional about that as well. I want to have a thankful heart. I want to wake up every day and I'm thankful for wherever situation I find myself.
To work, career, home, God, and mindset. God, I'm putting mindset under God because that would also help. I think that where you are with God would help you be in a good mental space also. It's part of the journey. So
this is CEO, this part, I want to build businesses this year. I want to meditate more this year because I'm going to put my mental health very, very high on my list of things I need to work on this year. I want multiple sources of income. I'm creating a new Chefs Will Be Black brand that I want to focus on. And this my brand is going to work hand in hand with this picture because I'm about to get the influencing part of my brand I want to work on. So my brand is going to be child vibes and life. So it's not just going to be just food on my page. It's going to be basically different things on my page.
We're coming to the end of our vision board party today. Although I didn't get to have a physical vision board thanks to these greedy girls behind me that were printing out all the papers on the internet. See, nothing. My mine didn't come out well. The ink finished by the time it was my turn to print. But I had the opportunity of doing a virtual vision board. So yeah, so I made mine on my phone, and it's very simple, but this is everything I actually want to do this year. At the top right corner, or rather at the top, at the middle of this page, we have pray. I want to be closer to God this year. You know, without God, nothing in this board can come to pass. Yeah, so while being a mom and a queen in my castle, I want to be the best mom this year to my children. I want to focus on my fitness goals this year. I also want to eat healthy all through this year. And look, if you look here in the middle, you see be consistent. See guys, consistency is what I pray to God for this year. Consistency. I want to be consistent in every single thing I lay my hands to do this year. And also I want to stop procrastination. Procrastination is my biggest problem, and I really want to stop procrastinating this year. So I want to, thank you Zoe. Oh god, I've added like 2 kg since I came here. So I want to focus on my YouTube this year. I intend to release more videos this year. I intend to post at least 4 times every month this year, so help me God. I intend to just pick up my phone, press record, and just create this year. And also be more in tune with myself, be close to my family, or rather be closer to my family. We've had a tough 2021. Last year was really tough, and it taught me something. It taught me to, value every single moment spent with my family. So this year I'm going to, be more intentional about calling and checking on every family member. I'm going to try to read more books this year, so help me God. At least 2 books per month. That's 15 days for 1 book. So help me God. And then the end goal, which is at the bottom of this page, is to be successful in every single area of my life. So I'm going to put in the work. I'm going to improve my craft. I'm going to stay focused. I'm also going to remain passionate about my goals. I'm going to push further. I'm also going to serve. I'm going to, be open to more ideas. I'm also going to stay persistent, and I'm going to be successful. Yeah, I intend to be very, very successful in my career as a digital creator and a YouTuber this year. Yeah.
Thanks to Onyi, who shared part of her vision board, which inspired all of us.
Everyone!
So yes, for blank checks. Yes, thank you to Zoe for hosting us. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And thanks to all of you who came. The more the merrier, to inspire.
And the delicious food.
And accountability.
Yes.
And thanks to
Eating
delicious
and
food.
takeaway.
So, thank you.
Eating and takeaway.
Over.
Should we go?
Vision Board 2022.
See y'all in Greece.
Oh my god, today was so interesting. I cannot believe it's finally over. So our vision board party is finally over. I'm about to go home. I have an event this night. So yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video, and stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, cheers to more wins this new year. Bye.